This video shows you how to install the intelligent storage drive into your printer. Turn off the printer. Unplug the power cord from the electrical outlet, and then from the printer. Using a flathead screwdriver, open the controller board access cover. And then remove the fax card. Unpack the intelligent storage drive. Locate the connector, and then insert the intelligent storage drive. Install the fax card. Close the controller board access cover, and then install the screw. Connect one end of the power cord to the printer. To avoid the risk of fire or electrical shock, connect the other end of the power cord to an appropriately rated and properly grounded electrical outlet. Turn on the printer. Touch Format Disk to finish the installation.